In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable or disable the new lens cleaning hint feature on iOS 26. Let's get started. If you have ever taken a photo only to realize later it looked blurry or foggy, it's often not your camera. It's usually dust or smudge on the lens. With iOS 26, Apple introduced a helpful feature that detects when your lens is dirty and gently reminds you to clean it before snapping a picture. It's a small addition, but it can noticeably improve your photo quality, especially if you love capturing family moments, travel shots, or anything else. To enable or disable this feature, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Camera. Once you find it, launch it. Under Camera, you're gonna find this option Lens Cleaning Hints. Enable for this option. Now, whenever your lens has dust, fingerprints, or smudges, your iPhone will display a subtle pop-up reminding you to clean it before taking a photo. Just wipe your lens with a tissue or even your t-shirt for clearer, sharper images. If you want to disable it, toggle off for this option. And that's it. This way you can easily enable or disable the new lens cleaning hint feature. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.